I'm making my PB&J Swirl bars.
Yeah, sign me up.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Nothing better than
love
that
the swirl.
cookie and peanut butter.
And I see you got those salty butter crackers.
You already know.
There's nothing better
Nothing, I was
than
just- I
those
just said
peanut
that.
butter.
Here's what I
Nothing.
would like to force some company to do. They've always got the graham cracker crust or that chocolate cookie crust at the grocery store. I'm kicking it up another level. I am making a butter cracker crust, okay?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it's salty, it's buttery, and then I'm gonna sweeten it a bit. I mean, it's perfection at the bottom of
Perfection.
this, okay? So before you get them into your food processor, kind of give like a pre-crunch because you don't wanna make butter out of this or mush. You wanna kind of help it out a little
It's like a
bit.
little massage, right?
A little
Give
bit
it
of a massage, get them in there.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jeezy. Matter of fact, Jeezy, I'm gonna have you work just a quick second as soon as I'm done making this, so thank you for taking that. A little bit of brown sugar, and then some melted butter.
Moss butter to the butter cracker.
Yeah, salted butter, make it salted. All right, now I'm just gonna go ahead and pulse it.
Oh, yeah.
You know what you're
Oh, yeah.
looking for?
Sand.
You want some sand, but like moist sand.
low tide,
Right?
yeah.
You're on the edge of the beach.
Low tide.
Yeah, you're making sand castles with this.
This can't be bad. Like
It can't.
impossible to be bad.
It really can't. And like I said, you can kind of personalize it, whatever kind of nut butter you like. All right, so GZ,
Yeah.
now is your turn.
What am I doing?
You're just going to press this into the bottom of this 8x8 that we've got the parchment in. We sprayed the bottom. We've got the parchment going both ways so that it can pull out easily once we
Parchment
bake it.
cradle.
And GZ,
Yeah,
when you're done with
spatula.
that, you want a spat to press
Yeah.
it down. There you go. You're gonna press it in there with your cup or anything like a glass. Just get it nice and firm.
Okay.
Put that in the fridge and let it rest for a bit so the butter kind of butters up again.
Yes, chef.
Yeah, it's not melted anymore. Okay, so now the filling, very simple. If you look closely, you'll see where GZ decided to have some peanut butter with his butter cracker right here.
Dirt
Just
dog.
right here, just striations all up in the PB. But to that,
Scott Cohn and I are peanut butter junkies. I don't
Yeah.
I
know.
love it too. Oh, almost every night.
I
love
get that. I
butter.
grind it at the store right in front of me. I take it home. It's almost warm when you eat it. It's unbelievable.
all right, so look, a little bit of brown sugar went in, some butter, and then I'm just gonna get in my mixer.
Sonny, are these no bake or are they going in the oven?
We're gonna put them in the oven and bake them.
No, you won't be able to do
know?
it.
Sorry, Katie.
Can't take this
Now,
recipe.
make sure you think about the brown sugar that you put in there not being granulated. So just kind of mix it until that peanut butter turns a little bit more of a brighter color or a more tan color. And that's when you know air is incorporated.
So peanut butter, brown sugar, butter.
That's it. Peanut butter, brown sugar, more butter.
Use chunky peanut butter for this?
You can use chunky peanut butter. You know, if you have a stand mixer, you can just do that wand thing.
Yeah.
You can use this as well. It's not gonna get in the way too much of your hand mixer.
You know, one of the things I love about this recipe is that you always have these ingredients on hand.
Always.
So last minute, you want to make something, go for this.
Always.
I like that cinnamon cookie butter.
Yeah. Hey, GZ, get the other one out of the fridge.
Yes, chef.
Yeah, you can
And we
do
will
that.
get this into our 8x8. Now remember,
look
you're
how
going to
nice and
rest
firm
the
it is.
crust. Yeah.
Look at how he did. That's an excellent job.
You didn't do that. And then just pour it in.
Oh, look, it's totally transformed.
Come on, man.
I could just eat
Luscious.
a bowl of that.
This
You
took
can smell that
this
peanut
took a lot of time.
No time. I mean, it's summertime. We don't really want to work too hard. And I got to be honest with you. When it comes to like summertime foods and taking it to the park or the beach or whatever, it's got to be fast or I'm just going to go to the bakery. And then when you want to swirl it, just going to take some strawberry jam, grape jam,
Oh man,
whatever you like. Just dollops.
that's my jam.
I knew that was coming. How
Dad
did I?
jokes.
Why didn't I
Did you know?
just say it at the same time as he did?
Jeffrey's reformulating this recipe with
I sure
tahini
am not.
and brandy and dried apricots flambéed.
A flambe.
You have such an
meringue
ulterior
top.
view of me.
White gloves flambeing the pie.
So just dollops around, and you can take a
show us how you
skewer
do that.
or a dowel, and then just kind of get in there and
This is
have
the type
fun
of
with
recipe
it.
that everybody at the party goes for.
Yep.
You can have something fancy, you put out these PB&J bars, that's
you're
what
absolutely
everybody's
right.
talking about.
That's easy. Look at that. All right,
All right.
350 degrees. It's gonna take about 30 minutes.
Wow.
Do some exercises here.
I mean,
after
could you
this.
technically
wait to
like
try this.
eat this unbaked, right? If you just make it
could,
like an
there's no
ice
egg.
box.
Yeah,
You could. It will firm up for you.
Yeah.
But then the jelly is kind of like, it's nice to cook it down and bring it out. You want to cool it off
You could freeze it though.
Oh, yeah.
Frozen
and then
peanut butter.
release it.
So you cooked it. It's so like there's no egg in it or anything.
No
how does
egg,
that work?
no flour. It's just magic. It's
Okay,
magic.
I'm into it.
Yeah, it's magic. And then just come in here and make bars. Okay.
That's a
See how
good
that comes
sound.
apart?
It's all right. I ain't complaining about
That's
that.
that butter cracker crust, honey.
Oh, BCC.
I like that. I love that it has that, butter cracker is salty and savory.
Salty and sweet just really goes together, right? When
yeah.
you think about it.
I love that.
You
May
know I
I
like the
have one,
corners.
please?
Yes, I will hook you up with a corner because I'm a corner.
I think what you're saying now is that the base is the most important thing. It supports the luxurious topping, so it doesn't need that
does.
extra like
The
heaviness.
foundation.
It does. It's the foundation of life.
Foundation.
Beige.
That's the noise right there when you break through the crust with
Oh.
the fork.
You like that?
Uh-oh.
Right?
She's
80.
It's so nostalgic in flavor, the PB&J. And I love the way that the jam gets a little extra sticky.